After nito, kayo na, ha?
Kaya natin to.
Okay, kaya na Superman.
What's the name of this group?
Philippine Senwa Dragon and Lion Dance Group po.
Good luck, boys.
Salamat po.
Sobra pala tong technical actually, no?
Ako, kuya, half-half ako, ha. Kasi ito parang ang boring lang, eh. Pero, sige na rin. Kasi alam ko namang nag-effort kayo. Kaya, yes na lang din.
Sorry, I'm gonna say no. I was expecting so much more.
If we give you a chance, I hope that you'll be able to give us a more exciting dragon dance. So it's a yes.
Thank you po.
Anong tawag sa duo ninyo?
Villanueva Duo.
Okay, go.
Mahirap yan yung paakyat.
Hindi kayo natatakot dun sa ginagawa ninyo. Confident na confident kayo. Mag-yes ako sa inyo.
Thank you po.
Ako kasi nakita ko na yung act na yan eh. That was something that really impressed me.
We're hoping that you can show us more. Tatlong yes ang matatanggap ninyo.
Wow, okay.
Congratulations,
Thank you po.
Villanueva.
Congratulations.
Maraming salamat.